Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal Datra Dhove. Today I have discussed about the topic of the pharmacovigilance. When we hear the name of the pharmacovigilance, first thought which comes into our mind is adverse drug reaction. Let's know about the relation between the pharmacovigilance and adverse drug reaction. Firstly, pharmacovigilance is the word which is made up of Greek word such as pharmakon plus vigilary. The meaning of the pharmakon is drug, and vigilary means the to keep watch. Simply, pharmacovigilance is to keep continuous watch on the drug, whether it is marketed. The definition of pharmacovigilance is such as it is the science and activity which deals with the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of the adverse drug reaction and any other drug related problem. As mentioned in this definition, there are four main criteria of the adverse drug reaction, such as detection, where we are going to detect the ADR in assessment, where we are check the cause or reason behind the ADR or because of which the adverse drug reaction occurs. Understanding, into the understanding we have to we have to know how severe is that adverse drug reaction, where it is mild, moderate, or severe. And in prevention, we are going to uh, we are going to take a different preventary action for the adverse drug reaction. These are main four criteria where the pharmacovigilance is based. The aim and scope of the pharmacovigilance is to promote the education and clinical training, promote the safety of the drug, promote the health of the patient, promote the public health. These are the aim and scope of the pharmacovigilance. Let's know about the objective of pharmacovigilance. The main objective of pharmacovigilance is to reduce the frequency and severity of the adverse drug reaction without affecting the efficacy of the drug, which means we have to decrease the rate of occurrence of the adverse drug reaction, and without affecting the drugs efficacy, or without affecting the effect of the drugs. This is the main objective of the pharmacovigilance. The safety of the drug is totally depends of the pharmaceutical company and the regulatory authority which gives approval to the drug to launch into the market. Now we have to know four criteria which are required for the reporting of the adverse drug reaction. The four criteria are such as identifiable patient, identifiable reporting source, suspect medicinal product, and the at least one adverse event. In identifiable patient, we have to mention the age, gender, weight of that person or patient. In identifiable reporting source, we have to mention the address or contact of that patient. And in suspect medicinal product, we have to mention the name of the drug, manufacturing date of the drug, and expiry date of the drug, and the category of the drug. And last four criteria is at least minimum one adverse event should be there. In that, we have to mention how severe that adverse event is. Now we have to understood who can report the adverse drug reaction. Anyone can report the adverse drug reaction, such as HCPs and non-HCPs, and also pharmaceutical company can report the adverse drug reaction to the regulatory authority. Now let's know about the different mediums of the reporting of the adverse drug reaction. There are different sources for the reporting of the adverse drug reaction, such as a reporting form, website of the pharmaceutical company, mobile applications. Various mobile applications are there for the reporting of adverse drug reaction, and the website of the regulatory agency. These are the These are the mediums for the reporting of the adverse drug reaction. The adverse drug reaction is mentioned as serious when it results into a death, or the patient requires the hospitalization or prolong hospitalization, or if it can cause the birth defect to the patient, or it can cause the disability to a patient, then the adverse drug reaction is mentioned as the serious adverse drug reaction. This is all about the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.